Before we go into the top 5 iPhone accessories that you should use for March 2020, Apple just announced not your next computer, but the iPad Pro 2020 has the most powerful with A12Z Bionic Chip. It is powerful. And then the marketing is that it could do much, much more. And now it has the USB Type-C. So in our accessories, we're going to show you how you can turn whichever iPhone or iPad you're using into a full-fledged PC with some of these sweet accessories. So if you want to see that, just sit back and relax, and I'm going to unveil to you some top 5 accessories you should use right after this. Welcome back to Smart Depot. We kick off things with this multi-utility accessory. You can put it in your bag, it's very handy. Instead of carrying big laptop around, you could just put it in and use it to copy things from your phone or laptop or PC, wherever it is, use it to copy and transfer things. It's handy. You could just take it to anywhere you are, wherever you are, even if you're going to a travel or tour, and then just put it out from the bag and use it to do some amazing things. The good thing about this thing is full of utility. There is no end to what you can do with it. You can use it to mirror your little phone to a big 4K screen, and you can use it to connect your charger. It has option for charging. It has option for RJ45 Ethernet connection. It has so much option. It could do up to 4K in HDMI and 180p in VGA. It can do Ethernet connection, gigabyte Ethernet connection. So there is so much to do with it. So I'm going to put the link in the description. And you may be wondering, how can I use this with my phone? Maybe an iPhone or iPad. Now, that's where the second one comes in. So this one is going to give you another utility where you can actually connect the lightning port to USB Type-C and do a whole lot of things with it, like mirror your screen or copy files or documents, watch movies, a whole lot of stuff. It's so good. There is also one that's lightning port to USB, micro USB option. So with that said, let's go into the next one. Now, this one is very, 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 very important for the argument about how do I charge and listen to earphone at the same time. Currently Apple has removed the 3.5 millimeter earphone jack, and well, I don't want to go into the argument, but this is a utility that you can also use to enjoy both worlds. You can charge your phone and you can also, play and listen to music. It can also control the volume controls on the earphone, so it's good. I'll put the link in the description too. Okay, the next one is a simple connection where you can mirror your phone or your iPhone or your iPad to the screen. There are two options here. If you like this is a little bit looking good. This is an adapter. The other one is just a cable. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Very, very simple. You just plug the HDMI end to the back of your screen, 4K screen, whatever. Plug the USB A type to the charger, and then you're good to go. Just turn out, and then the remaining connection, just put it in your phone, and bam, you are good to start mirroring whatever you want. The good thing about this one is that it doesn't bring delay. I've used wireless connections, screen mirroring and other stuff. Some of them could give that small little delay, but this guy, the response is instant. So that's one of the good advantage for this one. And if you have a big 4K screen and you have some good content in your phone, you could just pull it out, connect your phone, and then just watch it in that sweet big full screen and enjoy it. So if you don't like the cable lying around and rolling around, there's also the next option, which gives you that adapter, that beautiful adapter that you could just put and then connect. It's still like the same procedure, and once you connect it to your device, it will show you, it will just pop out on the screen, and then you're good to go. So if you don't like the cable option, you can use this adapter option. As you connect it, you see your phone will recognize it, and then it will just prompt you that something has been connected, and that's you're about just good to go. So let's move to the next one. Now, this one is for devices running Wi-Fi only, for iPads that run Wi-Fi only. You can use this one to connect. You have to be up to iOS 13 for this one. You can use it, just turn off your while and then plug it in, you'll see it, and then just use it in case you are in an office whereby there's no Wi-Fi network and you need to still use your own device. You can just plug it in like this. The Ethernet connected. They even have option for you to plug in extra other things to it. So this one is one interesting. So I'm going to end with telling you the one that you should never use. You see this micro USB lightning port to fan? Do not ever try to use it. This thing is going to burn an IC in your device and it's going to just useless your phone for a while. So no matter how good it feels, no matter how funky it feels, do not use this thing on your phone. So stay safe wherever you are. We're going to be bringing you much more video, and together we're going to overcome this pandemic, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you.